How to create sticky element in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create an element sticky in your Wix Studio. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account and then you can choose the website. After that, you will be in this dashboard. Now you can navigate to edit site here. You can click it. After that, you will be redirected to your website editor. So this is my website editor. So now you can choose the element you want to make it sticky. So let's say I'm gonna make this text slider sticky. You can just click it and then right click to select a layer and then choose the text marquee for this text slider. And then you can open inspector here and then you can scroll down until you find position. So this is the position type. As you can see, this is default. You can click it and change it to sticky. And then you can also make it sticky to top or bottom or both. So we're gonna choose top for now. Then you can just preview it. So let's try it. So let's see. As you can see, it's sticky in the section. So you can try to another element. You can just repeat the process. And yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.